guys. So I'm filming this model 1040 Marantz console amplifier. This Marantz, guys, is a small piece, and it has um, a very nice sound, and it delivers a very good quality of a sound to the speakers. And so you can see, guys, my speaker is the one over there, so you can see on the left, and I got that for a very good price, guys, and it's a good score. Yeah. So Marantz, guys, it's my favorite brand when it comes to stereos, from receiver to amplifiers to turntables to speakers. I do have 3 sets of Marantz speakers, and I have probably, I would say, 5 different types of Marantz receiver, amplifier, and a modern receiver from Marantz, the black, solid, pitch black looking, modern, 2000s receiver, surround sound. I want to talk about, guys, about a good quality stereos that you will appreciate, and you will have a good investment when you buy a Marantz, guys. Marantz, guys, has different types of models, vintage to modern nowadays. Black, all black receiver surround sound for your entertainment in your living room. Me, guys, as a collector, I always look for Marantz vintage from the 60s, 50s. Yeah, I would say 50s, 60s, 70s, and 80s. They are very nice looking piece, as you can see here. These are silver and black, contemporary looking, so you can see, and very, very nice size of this amplifier. Yeah. And down here, guys, I bought this stand, and I have no idea where is this for. It could be for like a small fridge that you put it on top, but I bought it and I use it for my Marantz. So yeah, so this is the sound, guys. You can hear. Very, very nice sound, guys. Very simple. It has nice looking knobs and buttons, so you can see. Even the knob for the balance, very nice, and for the bass and for the treble, the bass and the treble, and the selector and the source, and this one is for selector for stereo, left and right speakers, and these are for the volume, and of course the power, the knob for the power, guys, and these are the remote and main button for speakers on and off. Very simple, guys. It's just amazing. And let's check it out the back here, guys. This is a nice looking piece, as you can see. Very simple and small amplifier. Yeah. And over here, guys, it's connected to my speaker. Very nice, heavy, decent speaker. Yeah, and it sounds amazing, guys. I love this speaker, guys. So over here I'm using my cell phone, my other cell phone, for MP3s and YouTube if I want to. Like right now, I type in blues, and YouTube always have different music in it, and you can always type it in. So from jazz to rock to 80s pop, reggae, whatever you like, and they have it. Same thing with the Pandoras. So very nice, you know, um, music that you can choose which one you want to play. So very cool piece, guys. And let's listen to the other. Yeah. Very nice sound, guys. What an amazing Marantz. And yeah, so having wine here, and I just finished, and I'll get some more. And my Rasta here is exhausted, tired from this morning and afternoon. So let him sleep, and me just enjoying the Friday evening and listen to the good sound of these stereos. And yeah, and filming this beautiful piece from Marantz Model 1040 console stereo amplifier made in Japan. So another video here, guys, and just sharing it to you guys, and hope to see you in the next video. And hit the subscribers, and for now I'll say bye bye.